We've gone pretty ham, but we've never gone this full ham. You ready?
I'm born ready. Can't believe that we actually did this. Aaron sent us a photo and he's like, we build this. He's like, yeah, it's gonna work, this. And I'm like, all right. And then now we have the monstrosity right here.
Let's go, full pipe! Come on! You got nothing on me. You got nothing, okay. This is scary.
Okay, so you're gonna skate it before you roll it? All right. What else? Or are you gonna skate it stationary first?
Yeah. Whoa!
Maybe we should.
In theory, it's an amazing idea. In practice, it's still a good idea.
So it's like.
Oh, mate!
Yeah!
Feel shredded! Feel the shred! You ready? Whoa! I think I just did literally the only thing I can do in this.
No, it's a good pipe.
You went all the way around!
We need that angle too.
Dude, we can do this full pipe.
Yeah. I did not think we'd be skating a full pipe today. I'll tell you that.
Dude, it is so gnarly. Whoa! Just the kick turn is gnarly.
Yeah.
Oh man.
You're safe when you're on the board, right?
Yeah.
But if you bail, you're not on the board. You gotta get out of the pipe if you bail.
Whoa! Oh! Oh!
Yeah!
Oh!
There we
We're
go.
full pipe in! Oh! Whoa! It's like next to impossible. Oh! Wait, are we gonna hit something? You wanna go?
Dude, let me get in there with my kick.
Yeah, go in there with the kicks. It's working!
I have no idea what physics are occurring. Were you pushing? Yeah.
Whoa! Yes! 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 Woo!
Take this on the road, you can just ride home.
Yee! Let's go.
Hamster wheel.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's so fun. Alright. You're pretty safe when you're just running like
So
this.
cool.
Yeah.
Aaron, you're making history right now.
Make it, yeah, you know it.
You literally made history.
Literally.
Like if we're just standing in there, I'll stand like this, you push it and I do it all the way around.
What the heck? How is he so good at it?
Alright, ollie fakes.
Yeah. Kickflip. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You got kickflip. I think he can go all the way around, to be honest. Just have his hands out.
That's the way to do it.
See?
Sorry.
Thank you. Oh!
Yeah, I probably could do that.
Oh! We got no discrimination against the helmet. Oh yeah, mate.
Yeah, mate.
That's the one, mate. That was my life before my eyes. Literally like, whoa! But it caught on the full pipe and kept going around. You got it, man. We need to put rockets in here so you could just rocket around in circles.
Hey,
Hey.
you look like you need a hand.
got it.
Keep it going now! Go down, up the quarter pipe, and then down and then over. 3, 2, 1!
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Let's go! They said it couldn't be done! They said you couldn't do it! Oh my gosh! Slower, Glasser, slower! I feel like I'm a golf ball in like a mini golf ring, you know what I mean? And I could just ping off anything and die. Okay, now we will go full pipe. You know what that means?
That was scary. Maybe I don't want to do that again.
Aaron, please try it.
No!
Aaron, please.
No!
Aaron, this is your creation.
You try it!
I'm not tall enough, dude. If I were tall enough, I would.
It's primed for your height.
You can do it so perfectly. And Ricky can push you way faster, so it'll be easier. Nothing can happen. The worst case scenario, you just clap.
Everything bad will happen.
Okay, look, the Christmas tree happened one time, and be real, that was like the best thing we've ever done.
It'll lose all its momentum by the time it hits the wall. It has the bungee to pull it back.
All of your strength
Go like
from the Braille army.
and he's like, oh yeah, once I do it once, we'll just do it again. It's no problem. Then he did it once and he said, nope, not doing it again.
I would maybe advise him not to try.
5 minutes later.
Alright, ready?
Dude, you had it. You had it. That was so close. Literally the worst case scenario that I said happened. It happened. That hurt so. I literally landed straight onto my head. Let me see that.
I think you got a concussion.
You really died.
He was so close.
No, I was not.
You were.
The second we got upside down, I just tipped.
Oh my goodness.
I'm not a Krav Maga master. I told you.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I can't go anymore. Oh! Yeah! Oh! Yeah! Let's go!
Yeah! Never do that again. My arms are like bleeding on the inside. Feels like my heart was ready to explode and then it did. The landing was not so great, but I made it around. Let us know what other crazy builds you would like to see us do. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. It's your time. Let's get it. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. We have everything you need.